Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Marshall pedal board on a JVM410H or JVM410C amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now doing this hard reset is going to wipe off any of the presets or configurations you have on it, and there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the pedal board not working properly or not corresponding with the configurations you've put into it, a hard reset can fix a lot of those things. And the other reason is if you're selling this or getting a new one, or just for whatever reason, you just want to get a fresh start and restore everything to its factory presets, we can go ahead and do that really easily. All we're going to do is go ahead and unplug this pedal board. And with the pedal board unplugged, we're going to come in and press and hold the 6th button on the pedal board. And then while pressing and holding it, we're going to go ahead and restore power. And you will see that the little light indicators will start to blink up here. It's not reset yet. If you hit any of these 1 through 4 buttons, it will actually cancel the reset. But if you go ahead and, when that's blinking, go ahead and hit the number 5. That will confirm the reset, and all of the presets and configurations will be deleted.